We are all deeply anchored in the pool of math. Mr. Dylan here holding it down with Dylan Ultimate Mathematics. Hope you can swim. Hey, but today we working with slope of 2 points for video of the series. And we got to find the slope of our 2 points. We got -14, -9, and then we got 0 and 15. All right. So let's get to the first step of the day. First, I got to zoom out a little bit so we can go ahead and see everything. Can't have everything, close up. But taking no photos or nothing. Hey, so we got the first step. We're gonna label our points and their X and Y values. All right, so we got point one, point two. So we can go ahead and get to it right now. We got point one, point two. Bang, 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 bang. So we got, what did I say? What did I say? -14, -9. Then we got 0 and 15 at the bottom for point two, okay? So we got x1, y1, x2, y2 equal. All right, so since we got those, now we're going to write them out. We got -14, -9, we got 0, and then we got 15, all right? So now that we got our values, we done labeled everything out. We can go ahead and move to the second step of the day. So for our second step, we're gonna place our values into our slope equation, slope formula. All right, so once we place our values into our slope equation, slope formula, that's gonna give us, we got m equals y2, y1, x2 minus x1, all right? And this is for our slope equation. So we're going to write that out. We got 15 minus -9. And then we have 0 minus -14, okay? So our values are placed in our equation. So now we can go ahead and work for real, okay? So for the third step, this is the funnest part of the day. We're going to solve for our slope. Once we do that, that's going to give us, and write that out right here. Well, we got 15 minus -9. Had to retract real quick, figure out what it was. Then we got 0 minus -14, okay? So once we do this and this, that's going to give us definitely a plus. That and that, a plus. Look at the smiley face. All right, so we got 15 plus 9 over 0 plus 14. Negative and a negative always equals a positive, okay? Always remember that. Negative plus, no, negative equals positive. I shouldn't even have to write that out. I'm tripping. But hey, so look, we got 15 plus 9, 0 plus 14. 15 plus 9 is going to give us a 24. Trying to write with the eraser. We got we got 24 over 14, all right? And what that's going to equal, what we're going to do is we got to simplify this. Simplify. Once we simplify, we're going to simplify that by 2. So we're going to divide top and bottom by 2. When we do that, it's going to give us our final answer, which is right here. And our final answer for today for our slope is easy peasy, always breezy. We got 12 over 7 for our final answer for our slope today. This is an improper fraction. If we want to do a mixed fraction, it'll be, which also equals, we got 1 on 5 over 7. All right. And that'll be the mixed fraction. So, hey, appreciate y'all for tuning in with me. It's the one and only Mr. Dylan holding it down with Dylan Ultimate Mathematics. Hey, y'all be great, be phenomenal, be wonderful, magnificent, be everything that you can be in life and do it to the best of your ability. Hey, but y'all already know. Check in with me. I'm going to see y'all later. Peace.